Looking like a Catholic cathedral out here. Amen. Clean and on the buckle working. Torres Empire. You want to get the money for painting some money with? It's very tough for beats for sale. You get a hold of it, come over to the
What's cracking, everybody? What's cracking? Check it out. We're here in AC, baby. Frank, we're here with my boy City Low in the motherfucking house, baby. We're ready to cook this shit up today. We're doing that TLCC, that Torres Empire Lowriding cooking channel. So we're getting the sausage, the hamburgers, we're getting the chicken ready right now. We're gonna start on the steaks next. Stay tuned, baby. If you want some of that best sauce, you better get. If you want some good sauce, you better come get you some. This is the Torres Empire. Get you some sauce, baby. That's right. This is good for everything. On hamburgers, hot dogs. I don't care your beans, your frijoles, your rice, fucking potato chips. You can put them on your French fries. This shit'll taste good. Chicken, fish. I don't care what you cook. Use it, baby. Come get you some. Hit up Junior at 817-459-2277. Come get you some food. Junior, where you at? I laid them down, baby.
Wish it was a dream. Why? Bodies ain't all in love every night. The basket of cool. Wax fire stood.
My jam, in old school with Morales. Biggie mix. If you guys doing a song, climbing up girl on the Cuba sport, walking too short, 18 got the real people.
Was acting kind of strange, since I'm on the other stash and stuff with myself a few problems. By me being high, see, you know I creeped up on the board and said, yeah, I caught you. But with some things of mine, I'm with the beater. But she got to spin in my drink, so I just had to with the pipe bottle there.
Some people like it a little more well done than others. You know, like some people say burn my chicken, some people say like my shit light. So I gotta do both, you know?
It's kinda easy when you got the sound for your weeks and it's safe to the city. Rack 'em up, stack 'em up against the ground.
Get down, baby, get down here. Hop pit, baby. We in the hop pit, yeah, we in the hop pit. Get down like a motherfucker, baby. Shit, you know? And we burning motors and fucking steaks up in this bitch, yeah. Ready, baby, get ready.
Come on, guys, do it. Jump in the hop.
El día que nada
La vida pronto se acaba, el recuerdo lo que pasó en este mundo.
baby, get down, James Brown, some of this TLCC, baby. Gotta be generous on that CC when you got that good. We're gonna have a good motherfucker. Oh yeah. Hey, baby. We gotta keep it grooving, baby. Keep it grooving up this. Woo, look at this. Woo! Give you all that meat, my brother. I don't play it. Gonna get all. Yeah. Little bit of pepper.
Learning from me, then at the same time learning that's relevant, real deal, holy feel, and then you're
We be real on that grill, baby. Sir. Yeah.
man. People on the stage, you know they just don't care. I guess I got no choice.
You gotta try that, homie. Try that shit.
Pull one up, let's see.
South Central Magnet.